Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time on a Convoy M26C. Now I was sent this by Banggood.com, comes in this box, just a plain box. And the version here that I have is the 5000K. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in. The only thing in the box, of course, is the flashlight, which is the way all convoys are. There it is. Now the version I have here is the tan color. They also make the gray and black. It's got some weight here on the head. There's no battery in this. Very nice size. You can hold it as tactical if you need to. A lot of heat sinking here on the head. And the grooves on the body all go in one direction. Now these are what you consider budget lights, so they are extremely affordable. Nice steel bezel on there. Now it's amazing that this thing puts out 4,000 lumens on the highest output. And these convoys have always been very popular for the last 4 or 5 years. Now the style and design on this is very nice. No issues. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. More of a flat finish on here. Smooth too. You can table stand that if you need to. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the deep smooth reflector. Now this is running the Cree XHP 70.2 LED. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you the insides. Show you the tail cap here first. It's got a bypass wire on there, as you can see. And we'll take the head off the barrel. There's a little bit of grease here on the O-rings. And battery rings fell out of it here. These go on the 18650 batteries, so it won't rattle around in there. We're not going to use that type of battery, but you can. I'm going to bring out the battery I'm going to use now. And the battery I'm going to be using, of course, is an eFest purple cell. This is a 26650, 4200 milliamps, unprotected cell. I've always had really good luck with these batteries, especially the purple ones. And I've always had good luck with these. These are semi-raised. They're not flat tops. They kind of stick out, so they're good to use for multi-cell lights. Had some really good luck with these, and the red ones as well. Fits in there nice and snug. No rattling really. Now it does have some grease here on the threads, as you can see. Now we're going to go through the UI. UI is pretty simple on this. No special modes, just your regular UI. I'm going to turn it on. Half press on the tail switch will go through those light outputs. Let's go through the beam here. You see it's going to have a good combination beam. A lot of bleeding here, so it might lead a little more towards the floody side. Nice cutoff on the spill area. Really nice wide spill as well, especially when you get out into the distance. And you've got the highest output, 4,000 lumens, 5K. 5K to 6K are my favorite colors. They're not too warm, but they're not too cold. Especially on the dedicated throwers, I really like my 6K. And you can do full presses if you want as well. And that's all there is to this light. Simple, easy to use, nothing complicated. So it will suit most users, especially that just want a flashlight that's going to be able to be on the nightstand. Great for emergencies. Just remember to unscrew the tail cap there when storing the light for long periods of time. So let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Convoy M26C. Let's go ahead and see how it does. 35 feet to that water spout. And it is making 65 feet to that tree there. There's the beam on the fence. Remember this 5K. Check it out over here. Let's go to the next level here, see how it does. Nice little jump. Making the school there faintly. Making 138 feet there now to the tree of life. And it's faintly making the tree behind it. That's 238 feet. Using the world famous Cree XHP 70.2 LED. Faintly making it across the park. Tree line, fence line. Alright, let's go to the next level here. See how it does. Nice jump. Really nice spacing on this UI. Easily making it across the park to those playgrounds now, both of them. Making those trees in the distance. That there, 238 feet, 138 feet here to to the Tree of Life. Usually making the school now. Family making the palm trees too. Alright, look at that. Pretty impressive. So, now we're going to go ahead and go to the next level. Let's see how it does. Wow. A little bit of a jump there, not a huge jump. It's usually lighting up everything you need to, making the palm trees even better now, see? More of a floody beam, but combination beams, got that hot spot there. Huge amount of light. See those trees way in the distance before and after? Look at that. And these are so affordable, it's not even funny. Do a beam profile here, just straight up and down. Nice color temp on this too. I'll go back over here and do a before and after. Before. After. All right. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. This thing is a solid built light and performer. Really can't believe for the price point that you're going to get this amount of light coming from this small of a light. These are definitely budget friendly flashlights. Nothing to them, just basically the light, maybe some extra little accessories, but just a plain box. Of course, strategy is to keep it as cheap as possible. Everything beyond that starts to add in cost, but they have not shorted the customer when it comes to quality and performance, in my opinion. Convoy makes some of the best budget lights out there. There are other companies out there. It's a big war going on for budget series lights as well as highest lumens, but the budget ones are the ones that I really like to see and get them on my channel, because everybody doesn't have, you know, $200 or $300 to spend on a light. So, you know, having this option to be able to get a good quality light, actually it's very bright, it's got all the protections you need, it'll cycle down from turbo automatically, so that's pretty nice. That way you can keep your mind on what you're doing out there. As far as the beam performance, very impressive. More of a combination beam, and those are my favorite. My second ones are the flood. Now I want to thank Banggood for sending me this to review. Now if this is something you are interested in getting, I will leave a link to my store, and you can use my special discount code on this Convoy, just in case you might be interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these budget lights from Convoy to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.